Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So OpenArt gives you the visual power to create both high quality video ads and realistic UGC style ads. The difference is in the style. So video ads means polished, cinematic, brand focused, and UGC ads raw, natural, shot on phone style. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create both using OpenArt in 2026, the complete ad workflow. So first thing first, create a video ad. Okay, so define your ad strategy, like choose product, service, target audience, platform, which is TikTok, Reels, YouTube. Okay, goals like sales, clicks, awareness, because clear strategy means better visuals. Okay, so write a high converting script like structure, hook, like from 0 to 3 seconds, problem, solution, benefits, call to action. For example, still wasting time on workouts that don't work. Okay, so this is a hook. Okay, plan scenes like break into visuals like scene 1 hook, scene 2 problem, scene 3 solutions, scene 4 CTA. So each scene from 1 to 2 clips. Okay, so generate cinematic clips in OpenArt. Open OpenArt video generator. Okay, use detailed prompts. For example, cinematic lightning, dramatic scenes, person training in gym. Okay, slow motion. Okay, like this. Keep clips short to from 2 to 5 minutes. Focus on storytelling visuals. Okay, and add voice over and the music. So voice tool like 11 Labs or Play HD. So match tone with visuals. Okay, so create UGC ads, all the same to almost. So define UGC persona, choose age, gender, style, tone. Okay, create realistic character in OpenArt. Prompt example like realistic selfie, iPhone camera, natural lighting, casual room. Okay, like this. Okay, so generates multiple like after that pick one and avoid AI perfect faces. Okay, so and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.